India, where all of us today have gathered here to celebrate the 5th annual edition of the Indian Restaurant Awards 2015. Well, I'm your host Sonali Gupta, and it is a moment of great pride and privilege as we extend a very, very warm welcome to some of the most dynamic leaders and the most amazing entrepreneurs who've changed the face of the Indian restaurant industry right here for us. I truly hope that we've started this event on a very, very high energy note with an amazing dance performance by our dance troupe, William Dance Troupe. So let's firstly have a big round of applause for them. Thank you guys. As you all know, that the restaurant market right here in India is clearly calling for an exponential growth, requiring companies to open more restaurants faster and in optimal locations. So I'm excited. The bigger awards for this evening are right here. To begin with, the first category, which is the Best Service Provider of the Year 2015. Please give it up for Zomato. Zomato is a restaurant search and discovery app providing in-depth information for over 1.4 million restaurants across 22 countries. Zomato has expanded its offering to include in-app cashless payments, online ordering, table reservation, and a point-of-sale system. Congratulations, Zomato, for a great job for being the best service provider for the year 2015. Next award, this is the Regional Restaurateur of the Year 2015. You know him, you love him, you hear him, you've seen him on stage many a times, you've seen him everywhere around Delhi and much more. Ladies and gentlemen, he needs no introduction. Please welcome on stage the Chairman, Laziz Affair Group, Mr. Priyank Sukhija, Regional Restaurateur of the Year with his beautiful fiancée. Congratulations, Priyank. Firstly, congratulations. She's absolutely gorgeous. थोड़े टाइम में आप इतना स्माइल नहीं करेंगे. ये कुछ महीने रह गए, जितना स्माइल करना है कर लो. But we would love it if you say a few words to everybody here.
You know, I'm very glad to. First of all, a big round of applause for Sonali, MC of the Year.
It's time for us to call our biggest and the grandest award winner on stage. The biggest and the most prestigious award for this evening, it is the Restaurateur of the Year 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for CEO and MD, Impresario Entertainment and Hospitality Private Limited, Mr. Riaz Amlani. Woo! Congratulations, Riaz. We would love to hear a few words from you. How are you feeling and how your journey has been so far?
Thank you very much.